Hi, good day everyone. From the beginning, we are starting of I will teach you how to start a manual sewing machine, how to use the start manual sewing machine in our training class for sewing. First of all, before you can use manual sewing machine, there are some parts of the sewing machine that you have to know on how to start it, how to use it, how to thread it, and so on. We will learn so many things in our subsequent classes. So now let's begin. First of all, for you to start this manual, as it's called manual means you are using your own energy to use it, to control it, not electric and not industrial. That's why we call manual sewing machine. Then manual, you are using our leg and hand, our energy to control it. First of all, before you could start doing, let's start. Before you start sewing, this is to start the machine, this simple machine. What we need, this is the turning tube, turning tube. Before you have to, this one is the one turning, controlling the upper part. As to say, this one it can turn forward and backward, but if you want to start, it has to be turning forward like this, clockwise, not anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise direction, turning forward for the machine to control. This is the upper part. First of all, if you want to start the machine, you have to turn this one first 1 or 2 or 3 times, depending on how fast you can go with it. This, you have to turn it using your hand, just like this. Just simple, just turn it like this. 1, it can start. Or 2, this is the fourth one. It will be controlling and going when you control the downward using your leg. This one you have to use your hand, use it, then you can control it to go on using your leg. It is going forward. Don't let it go backward. If you are going backward, it has to be controlled backward. For it to be going forward, you have to turn it forwardly using this. For instance, this, as you can see, I'm doing it as 1. As you can see, that's just it. As for the upper part, as I was saying, if you turn it, it will be turning like this. This is when you are using your hand, as you are turning the upper part. That's how the down is looking like. Then before this down one, before you start, you have to put your legs on the turning wheel. This is the turning foot. You put your legs like this. And if I put your legs like this, and what you will do now is that you put your leg like this, then you use your hand as it was shown in the video to turn it forward. After you turn, then you use your leg to go it down and up. You turn it once and use your leg to go it like this, down and up, down and up, and the machine will be going as like this. After just turning it once, then you use your leg, keep using your leg to turn it up and down, up and down, up and down. Like once like this. Turn it, then you use your leg up, down, without holding anything. As you turn it just once, then you turn it, just be going with your leg, just up and down, just like this. Very simple. As you are going like this, you're going forward, just like this. And you are going forward, you are turning it. That's how the swing will be going. And if you want to go back, you just use this. This is what we call the reverse case. You use this to go up. As it is going up like this, you turn it once and you continue with your leg going up and down, It will be continue going forward, unless you use this. This is called what we call using to reverse it. Unless you take this up. If you take this, it will start going backward. And if you put it down, it will be going upward, unless you stop it with your leg. As immediately you stop your leg, the machine will stop automatically. You stop turning your leg, then the machine will stop going. And if you want to continue starting again, then you turn it once and then continue to go with your legs as this one. After starting or knowing how to turn the sewing machine, the next step you are taking is to thread the sewing machine. How to thread this sewing machine is, for the threading, we are putting 2 threads, the up and the down. We are putting 2 threads. We are using 2, the upper one and down one. This is the type of thread we are using. The down one is for the bobbin, and the bobbin has its case here. The first thing you have to do is to remove the bobbin case under. For the removing, you lift this small flip you are seeing here. You just lift it like this. As you lift it, you just draw the bobbin case. The bobbin case will remove. And when you are going it, you lift it like this and you get it back. But for the first time, you lift it like this. You lift, then you remove. As you remove the bobbin case, the bobbin is inside. As you remove it like this, this is the bobbin case, this is the bobbin. You have to thread this bobbin. As you see, first to thread it, you roll this sewing thread like this in a clockwise direction. Just roll it like just 3 or 4 times. 1, 2, and 3. This is the simple one that you are using manual method to roll the thread in the bobbin. The first thing, you use nail or something or stick or something, just put it like this. This is the manual way. As you are seeing, you just put it like this and roll your machine as you did before once, and turn it with your leg to go opposite direction. Then you roll it like this. Place it just like this. Just place it on top and it will be going. Just hold it, the thread. Don't hold it too tight. Just hold it freely like this. It will be going and it will be rolling on the bobbin case. As you see, it will be rolling. Very simple. Very simple. It will be rolling on the bobbin case. Yeah, this is the manual method of doing this. Then after rolling it is full, then you cut it and put it back to its bobbin case. For tilting it back, you put it like this. Is the inside. Then you put this directly on this, it will enter. Then use the thread, one hacker, this, put it. There is one hole, small cut here. As you can see, just a simple small cut for this. Then use the thread, just put it through the cut, this small cut you are seeing here. Put it, then reverse it like this. Just you put it, it will be going like this. You see, very simple. It will be going, as you see, it will be rolling. That's meant to start. Then you put it back to where you brought it from the down. Then for putting it back, you hold it like this. Hold it with this, plainly like this. You lift this and then put it back and release the frame. You release it, then you close it back. That's for the down threading. Then for the up, you put your thread in its stick here, up like this. Then you put it directly. As you put it, there is direction for it to follow. That's here. Then you put it here for the spring here like this. You put it as you go like this. You put it directly here. As you can see, it will be rolling. It will be rolling as. After you put it, as I am saying, you see. Let me remove it and do it again so that you can see clearly. Okay. You see, put it like this. Then you use the aid to put it inside this hole, this small hole like this. After putting, you put it like this. You draw it and put it here. Then you put it inside your nail and inside your needle. Inside the needle hole directly, and use the other hand to draw it. It will enter inside the needle hole. You see, That does it. Put it directly, and then you use your hand to lift this turning top inside. You see, as you do before, just do it, and it will what? Bring out the under thread. Is that is meeting the under thread you put in the bobbin, then it will bring it out. The needle will bring it out. As you do, it will be 2 thread. That's why I'm saying you are using 2 thread, the under and the top. This is how it starts. This is the 2 thread you are will be using. So that's how simple you can to thread a manual sewing machine. Okay. After threading, then you can start sewing. And for example, you just put it, this one behind is the one used to lift the put. This one, you lift it up, then you put it down. It's what is used to lift the put for the sewing. Then you can start, you lift it up. After putting the material you want to sew, then you put it down. Then you can start sewing like this. You turn it once and continue. Then sew back. That's how it is. You lift it up, you move it, then you cut the thread, and cut it. And so you see, this is the front, this is the back. So it has been sewn.